Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to show you Vincent's ways to you can use ChatGPT to make money online in 2025. Whether you are a complete beginner or already freelancing, this video will give you a real step-by-step method. So grab a notepad and let's dive right into it. So first method I'm going to talk about, that sell ebooks on Amazon KDP. So here you just need to go to the ChatGPT and ask it to generate a 10 chapter ebook on a trending niche. For example, the prompt will be that write a 10 chapters chapter ebook on time management for busy moms. Here you can see the prompt. This is so much easy one. You just need to be enter this one and then you will get eventual result. Then you can edit the output in Google Docs or MS Word, and then you can design a cover using the Canva platform. So here you can see we have the Canva. You just need to click on start design and you can continue with the email, as you can see it here. So it is an easy one. So once you did, then here you can see we have table of contents. This is the chapter 1. You just need to be copy whole things and then paste it into the Google sheet. So you can make an level here, and then you just need to be come back to the Canva to design the page. So here I will copy whole summary for my content image. So I will come over here and then I will search ebook here and then hit enter, and I will get ebook here, ebook size by default. So I will click on them and then just click customize this design, and then I will take help AI to create a template or the design. So I will click over here music media and then I'll generate an image. So I will click on generate image and it will give us the image. So you can see how easy the process was to create an ebooks on ChatGPT and by using this artificial intelligence on Canva. You just need to be paste it here, and then you just need to be take your content and paste it at that place. Like here, you just need to be copy the whole thing and then paste it here, and you can make it organized for you. It's totally up to you. Now you just need to make the design more convenient. So you can design a cover using Canva also. Then you just need to be download things as a PDF. Like here, you just need to click on download, and from that place you just need to be choose for this one, that PDF standard, and then you just need to be make it as it, and then come back and click to the download, and your work is done. Now you just need to be uploaded to kdp.amazon.com. Like here you can see this book already been published for you, and you just need to go over here KDP Amazon, and then you just need to be upload your image in here, and then you can approximately the potential earning will be $100 to $500 per book, and the pro book will be published multiple book across niche like self-help, branding, finance and health, and you can earn a passive income through this way. Now let's talk about method 2, that is freelancing with ChatGPT help. So platform like Upwork, let's search for Upwork, then Fiverr, and many more like freelancer. Like if you want, can offer blog writing. Like here, if I go to the Fiverr, you can find out that blog writing service available. Let's search for blog writing, and then here I will get couple of kit and I can order them. Then social media content, product description, email marketing copy. You just need to be accept client requests and use ChatGPT to generate content. Prompt example, for example, I will give this prompt like here, that write 1,000-word blog post on benefits of yoga for mental health. Here you can see it, and then you just need to hit enter and polish it with Grammarly for your edits. So here you just need to be open the Grammarly, and then you just need to be create an account in here also. So you just need to be enter here and sign up with Google, and then you just need to be choose your email address and then click continue. Once you did, then you already get an Grammarly account. So you just need to polish it with Grammarly plus your edits in here. So here you just need to click on school work, then click to the next, and then you can say that you are the CEO and owner. Then you just need to click on next, or you can select this one, I work in this one. The platform will be the research or sales business, or I can say the other one, and then just click next. And from that way I mostly write external emails or creative content, then click continue, and I write influencing apps and website like Google Works, Outlook, Word, and you can choose any of them. Then you just need to click on next, and it's already been done, and we are getting that 1000 like words of content here, and it is generating them. So here I will continue with the free plan and get Grammarly Windows, get Grammarly for Windows only. I will click through this one, and here you can see your download will complete automatically, and here your Grammarly download is done, and now I am able to use it in here. So it will take a couple of minutes, so I will use Grammarly app in there. So when I enter to the Grammarly to polish my things, here you will get that nothing here yet. So you can see that we just need to be click over here new docs, and here you just need to provide your doc. So I will copy whole things like the final thought we already get. So I just need to be copy the whole thing, and then I'll come over here and then I'll paste it here. And from that place here, explore your agent, like you Grammarly prefer polish your writing till it preferred. Writing quality is 98. It is a great one. Now it will be polished, and once it's done, then you just need to provide your product to your client. This is the delivery. So the earning potential will be $15 to $500 per project, and the tip I am going to give you that start small and build up your ratings here. Now let's talk about method 3, that create and sell digital products like ideas. ChatGPT can help you printable planners, the Notions template, resumes, CV bundles, and journals, cheat sheets, guides. You can ask ChatGPT for ideas and content. Like here, you just need to be write, give me a 30-day fitness ideas, or you can say planner. You can say fitness planner with daily tips here, and you just need to be hit enter, and you just need to design the product using Canva or Google. Sell on Etsy, Gumroad, or your own Shopify site. Its earning potential will be $10 to $200 per day, and the pro tip I'm going to give that bundle similar product for more sales. Now let's talk about method 4, that is YouTube script writing service. Who need it? Like YouTuber, influencer, and brands need this script. And what to offer? You can give them full video script, video outlines, title plus description, and also plus the hashtag. You can use ChatGPT to write a video script. The prompt you will provide that write a 5-minute YouTube script on how to save money first, and polish it with your own touch. Deliver it to clients on Fiverr or Upwork, and the earning will be $25 to $150 per script. So I hope you understand how amazing to earn money. Then you can earn through affiliate marketing content, like you can use ChatGPT to create product reviews, comparison blogs, email sequence, and choose a niche. For example, take gadget, tools, health product. Sign up for affiliate programs, Amazon Partner Stack, Impact, Register, and ask ChatGPT to write content like write a product review of X widget smartwatch and post your blog, Medium, or Quora. And earning potential will be $100 to $1,000 per month with consistent traffic. So you can use as your keywords in prompts for higher ranking. So I hope you understand how amazing that was to using ChatGPT for your earning. So if this ChatGPT is not a replacement for skill, but it is a massive accelerator. The more you use it, the better your prompts are result will get. Pick one method from this video, take action and build consistency. Let me know in the comments which method you will try first. Thanks for watching. I will catch you in the next video with an interesting topic again.